Hello. So let me begin by noting that a lot of what's being covered in this video is both going to be said and written. If you were only to copy the written portion of the video, you would miss quite a few key things. So please be sure to listen to the video, and if you need to, kind of wait till the end and pause to copy down. But if you only copy down what's written, you're going to miss some key things. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. So we're working on derivatives, but specifically we're working on derivatives from an algebraic viewpoint. So what that means is we're going to do the algebra math behind finding a derivative. We use f prime to represent a derivative, but the important part here is that we're focused on the definition of the derivative. So keep in mind, you'll have shortcut methods for finding derivatives later on. But for now, if you're asked to use the definition of derivative, we're expecting you to use this limit of the difference quotient. And really, we should note that it's f prime equals that. So f prime is the symbol for the derivative that's on the left of the equal sign, and it's the limit of the difference quotient, which is the method for finding the derivative. And an important thing to notice about this formula is the limit as h goes to 0 is on the right side of the equal sign. When people go to rewrite this problem, for some reason the limit shows up on the left or somewhere else weird, but you'll always be given the definition, so it's nothing that you need to memorize. So even though you don't actually have clickers while you're watching the video, it's still a good way to kind of make our point. If the problem says find f of x using the definition of derivative, but I know my derivative formulas, those shortcuts I was telling you about, can I just write the final answer and not go through the algebra? So is the answer yes, no, but please, pretty please? What about, I don't want to show that I know the distributive law. Ooh, big hint, that's coming up. Rules for cancellation, big hint, that's coming up. Limit, big hint, that's what's coming up. And then, what if I buy you a cup of coffee? Professors like coffee, right? Oh, I'm sure we all do, but you know that the right answer is no. And let me repeat, if you're asked to solve using the definition of derivative, then the answer is no, you cannot use one of the shortcut methods.